Hello, I'm Dr. Rahul Poddar, working as a consultant pediatrician at ILS Hospital, Agartala. And in our day-to-day OPD, जो सबसे commonly जो we encounter, that is febrile illness. जैसे कि babies mostly after 8 to 9 months of age, जब they present very frequently, almost every month, that fever since last say 2 to 3 days and poor oral intake. So many times we see कि unnecessarily antibiotics कभी-कभी parents खुद ही दे देते हैं घर में. So I want to emphasize that actually 8 to 9 out of 10 children that is presenting with fever is only having viral illness. And it doesn't need any antibiotic actually. Only symptomatic treatment is what we should advise them. So round the clock paracetamol, plain paracetamol. ज़रूरत पड़ने पे we can repeat the dose after every 4 to 6 hours. And along with that we need to provide proper hydration. Yes, breastfeeding, along with that normal feeding जो भी हम इतने दिनों से घर पे हम दे रहे थे, along with that plenty of fluids orally. And 2 to 3 days, 72 hours तक we can wait. We should look for any other danger signs like persistent vomiting, या loose stool, lethargy, excessive irritability, poor feeding, any signs of dehydration, and somehow we have to check कि जब कि fever नहीं रहता उस time में baby is absolutely playful, active. Maybe oral intake थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है in comparison to routine days, but baby is able to accept orally and able to tolerate that well. In that case, actually we need to somehow counsel parents that this is absolutely normal course and baby just doesn't need any other thing. Yes, many a times every month बच्चे को fever हो रहा है, it is not possible कि बच्चे को लेके आप hospital आओ, but these are the common danger signs that we have to look for. And just give paracetamol. We need to have a fresh paracetamol जो कि probably last 1 महीने के अंदर हमने ओपन किया है. If it is more than 1 month, then again it might lose its potency, it might not work. And give plenty of fluids orally. घर में कुछ common medicine जैसे कि nasal drop हो गया, vomiting की medicine हो गई, तो ये सब कुछ चीज़ें हमारे घर में रखना चाहिए. And yes, अगर ये 72 hours के ऊपर अगर cross हो गया या फिर any of the danger signs as I mentioned earlier is present, then of course you should come to your pediatrician. Okay, happy parenting. Thank you.